Hey, it's CARCRAZEDKID here. We're over at a secret garage, also known as Beagle's Unique, where they have a ton of cool cars, such as that Porsche 911 993 GT2 race car, and 5 other Dodge Vipers over there. But today, we're focusing on this Ferrari 599 GTB F-1 edition. Now, you might not know this, but this car is actually mid-engine. It's under this hood, but it's considered a mid-engine car because the engine is over here while the axle is over here. So it's behind the front axle and in front of the rear axle. And then over here, just like the Ford GT, you have a flying buttress is what these are called. It basically directs air through a little hole, I guess you could call it, in the car and out the back. Over here you have your quad exhaust with this rear diffuser. And coming around to the engine bay, you have this humongous V-12, and what's cool about this car is in the engine bay, it says the chassis number of this specific car. And then you also have 599 GTB, of course, because this is a Ferrari 599 GTB F1 edition. And this isn't actually a front-engine car, believe it or not. This is considered mid-engine because the axle is right there, and it's behind the axle, the front axle, but it's also before the rear axle, so it's considered a mid-engine car. It's just near the front of the car. Carbon ceramic brakes right over there. Can see it right along there. And then these vents that bring hot air from the engine all the way back through the rest of the car. And then this badge that says Pininfarina, those are the designers of this gorgeous masterpiece. They mainly specialize in Ferraris, but they also have some other cars that they made completely by themselves with a little bit of help by Ferrari and some other manufacturers. Now let's take a look inside. We have this beautiful carbon fiber trim over here with the Ferrari badge, and then there's so much other carbon fiber all the way on the door, the center console, and these seats are actually made of carbon fiber as well. And then also this whole entire dashboard and the steering wheel and these paddle shifters are also carbon fiber. Someone sitting in the passenger seat, and they're just scared because this car is pretty scary when you're going super fast on the track. So that's what that's for. Wow, that was a really good video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.